Hi everyone, hope everyone's doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing, and this time not a unboxing for trying. Actually, I bought one of the watches that I tried with another variation. You might recall it, a Citizen, an Echo Drive that I bought to try, and I really liked it, and I actually wanted to get the same color, same model, everything. But when you find deals online, you cannot leave them alone. I found this deal online where someone is buying a new one, and for almost half the price. So I thought, why not try the variation? If I don't like it, even I can resell it with minimal losses or not even losing any money at all. So anyways, if you like this kind of content, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and hopefully you'll like the video after watching it. And of course, if you have any questions about this watch that you will see in a moment, sorry about that, leave them in the comment section. So, like I said, it's a Citizen watch. It's an Echo Drive watch. So let's put this on the side. There we go. Take this out. Here we can see. Yes. You can put this here, and we can zoom in on the watch. So let me take it out of the package. I have the guarantee, we have all the stuff. Let me take it here. The watch looks good, not totally used or something, no scratches because of the PVD. This is a small, no, it's a dust speck, and so it's running. So if you see the chronograph is working, let's leave it run for a bit. The strap is actually not that used, as we can see. Actually not used at all. So what we can do is that we take off the strap. I'm damaging it with this one. Okay, I'll pause here, get the strap, maybe put some kind of cloth under it, and get some strap options to try it out, because I really like the watch. The strap is nice as well. Let me put it on my wrist and give you a nice shot of it with the original strap, and then I'll be putting the original strap with the box, as I want to try the watch out with a couple of straps and maybe get a NATO for it. And let's close it like this. The strap is nice, it feels supple. I tried a couple of straps from Citizen and they actually weren't that bad at all. And yeah, let me get then the strap remover and a couple of straps and try them out. So as we can see, I tried actually a couple of straps with the buckle, because the buckle is 20 millimeters, and nothing really seemed to work out. But I thought I might as well tell you the dimensions of the watch, that I didn't mention it before. Sorry about that. So as I mentioned before, the watch has a Echo Drive movement, caliber 642, I think, yeah, 642, 210 days of power reserve. Diameter is, I think I have to, yeah. Let's zero it. 41 point something, so it's 41, I guess, because the calipers sometimes are not zeroed in. 47 lug to lug. Like I said, with the lug width we have 20 millimeters, and with the crown it sits at 44 with a thickness of 11 millimeters or 11.75, something like that. So I thought about putting it on this, and it will actually look quite nice, even though these two don't match with the color. Maybe if it had the color, it was the blue one was perfect. But like I said, I got this one because of the offer was really good. The screen also looks quite nice, gives it a really cool shape. Might wear it on it, and I might put it on this Perlon just to be able to test it at home, to be able to tell you guys how I really feel about the watch with daily wear, until I buy a NATO for it. So as you can see, very good lume, both on the numeral, indices and hands. Chronograph restarted. The crown feels good. What can I say about the watch? The watch is really nice. Just need to, I don't know, on this Perlon might be nice to try it out on the Perlon. Let me try it out on a couple of models and then come back to you guys. Maybe I'll put it on the Perlon and I'll put it on the green strap so you can see both options. Yeah, I can show you directly on the Perlon. Easiest NATO to wear. Looks quite nice. Let me pause. Looks good on the Perlon. I think on a black NATO it would look even better. Black on black NATO. I like the stealth look of it. And that it's Eco Drive also. So let's try it on another one. So that's how it looks on this Bund strap. Actually looks quite good because it's a Flieger with a Flieger style dial. Dual compass chronograph. Why does the chronograph keeps restarting? I didn't stop it actually. Okay, so let's try it on the last one. I think we have a winner here with this strap. Green lizard, handmade, and with the black stealth gives it a really nice look. I have for measurement 17.1 centimeter wrist, so 6.69 inches wrist circumference, and I like to wear the watches under the bone and tight on the wrist so it doesn't move. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. If you have any questions about this watch, I'll have a first impression video and a review video coming out soon as well. So just leave them in the comment section and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everyone.